Okay guys, so this is one of the things I hauled from Goodwill. It's a Lazy Susan top, and this is the DIY I promised you for Friday or Saturday. Looks like I'm going to get it up Friday, and I'll be using that plus 4 rolling pins from the Dollar Tree. And as you can tell, I'm doing a voiceover. So first thing I'm going to do is clean this Lazy Susan up, sand it a little bit, and then I'll paint it. The color I'm using is the Waverly chalk paint in Silver Lining. I'll also be using 2 wooden pieces I got at Goodwill quite a while back. I'm not sure what you would exactly call them. They look handmade, but they're not, because they did have stickers on them from a store. They kind of remind me of shadow boxes. Stay tuned till the end of the video. I've got some DIYs I did before I had my channel, and I just want to show you some pictures of those. And if you like them, just ask about them in the comments. So as you can see, it's almost bedtime. You'll see several different changes of clothes during the video. I did apply 2 coats of the chalk paint to the Lazy Susan, the rolling pins, and also the shadow boxes that you'll see later in the video. So now that everything is completely dry, I will glue 2 of the rolling pins together using E6000 and hot glue, and then I'll do the same with 2 more. And these are the shadow boxes I was telling you about. I've got those cleaned up, and I'll start applying the 2 coats of chalk paint. Now once those are dry, I'll attach the 2 legs that I've made to the bottom using E6000 and hot glue. And here I'm going to wrap just a little bit of jute twine around where the legs connect so you can't see that. I'll do that to both legs. I decided to put a couple of little nails in each side, going from the top down into the legs and the bottom also, just for more stability. And now I'll be attaching the Lazy Susan to the top using hot glue and E6000. And remember guys, when you use the E6000, you need to give it 24 hours to dry. And here's the fun part, we get to decorate. I'm using tape just to hold this up at the top. I just didn't want to use hot glue. I may want to change this out. I also used one of the Dollar Tree stickers on the top that says Home Sweet Home. I think I missed that part recording. The greenery I got from Dollar Tree, as well as the picks that you'll see me put in. It's just some leftovers that I had. The only thing I have from Walmart is the lavender. Remember to keep watching at the end for those pictures. So finally, I completed the project. It did take me a few days after work to do this, but I'm pleased with the way it turned out. And if you like it, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you to my supporters. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a look at it. If you like what you see, subscribe, hit that notification bell for upcoming videos. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.